Well, hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be making chicken and pork adobo. Adobo is a traditional Filipino dish that is cooked many different ways. Traditionally, it is cooked in vinegar and soy sauce with lots of garlic and peppercorn and bay leaves. But because we're making this adobo gluten-free, Whole30 approved, and Paleo approved, we will use coconut aminos to replace the soy sauce. This dish is so easy to make, and I usually serve this with cauliflower rice. That you can serve it with, regular rice, white rice, brown rice. It's one of the easiest dish to make, and we always make this at home. And it has a very simple list of ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Come join me in the kitchen. So what we have here in the pot is a combination of pork riblets. We have 2 pounds, and also chicken wings. We have the flats and the drumettes, also 2 pounds. I used here organic chicken, but the pork riblets is I didn't find organic meat. Then we're gonna add in our garlic cloves crushed, and then we have bay leaves, 3 pieces, and I'm gonna add some freshly cracked ground pepper. Also, we're gonna salt it, and coconut aminos. I'm adding the coconut aminos, and 2 cups of water. Just a reminder, I'm gonna have the full list of the ingredients in the description box below. Turn the heat to medium. Then we're going to stir and mix everything, ensuring that the marinade is evenly distributed. Turn the heat to high and bring your pot to a boil. After about 10 minutes in high heat, our pot is now boiling. We're going to give it another stir. Then bring the meat in the bottom to the top so that they cook evenly. Then leave your pot for another 10 minutes and continue to let it boil. After it has been boiling for 10 minutes, turn the heat to medium-low. Then cover your pot and gently simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the meat is fork tender. Occasionally, check the liquid and add about half a cup of water as needed, or when more than half of the original marinade has evaporated. It's been about 30 minutes that our pot is gently simmering. We're going to check the meat, and about this time our meat is now fork tender. I'm just gonna mix this around to ensure that it's evenly cooked. And as you can see, the marinade has now reduced to about a little more than half. We're going to continue to mix this around just to make sure that our meat is evenly cooked. We are going to separate the meat from the liquid by transferring to a clean bowl, then setting aside the liquid in a separate bowl, or just leave the liquid in the same pot. Next, we're going to bring in a nonstick pan to medium heat. We will skim some of the fat from our liquid and add it to our heated pan. Slowly, we'll add the meat back to the pan, and we want to evenly brown the meat. This process takes about 3 to 5 minutes.
Next, we will slowly add the liquid back in the pan, about 1/4 cup at a time. This process will thicken the sauce and nicely coat the meat, intensifying the flavor. You want to continue to add the liquid in batches, stirring evenly around until we've added all the liquid back into the pan. At this point, we'll give it another taste and adjust the seasoning accordingly with salt and pepper. Then transfer the dish to a serving bowl and it's ready to be served. Here's the finished product. I served mine with cauliflower rice, salted eggs, and tomatoes. I hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try.
So thanks for joining me in the kitchen. I hope that you would give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments section down below if you tried this recipe, how you liked it, and how it turned out. I also do have an Instagram account. It's monica.felter. If you made this recipe, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see the dish that you made. Share this with your friends and family. And add in the comments what you'd like to see on my next video, what recipe you'd like me to make. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.